Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on lesson 4, and our I can statement for today is I can subtract multiples of 100 and some tens within 1000. So for today's lesson, you're going to need a pencil and a piece of paper, and so you can follow along. We also have a sprint for today, so make sure you have a piece of paper for that as well. So our application problem for today is Diane needs 65 craft sticks to make a gift box. She only has 48. How many more craft sticks does she need? So we need to have our read, draw, write checklist. So on my board I have my read, draw, and write checklist. I have my place value chart that shows 65. I have my number sentence that says 65 minus 48. And I also made a number bound because they said she had 48, and how many more did she need to get to 65? So we know that we need to find the difference, how much is in between those two. So we knew that 65 was what she wanted to get to. She had 48. What's that other piece that we need to find out? So that's what we're going to do now. So we have to always start in our ones place. We're going to do 5 minus 8. Can we do that? No. So we're going to need to cross off 110, trade it in for 10 ones, and then we're going to need to do now, this is only 5, and this is now 15 ones. So now we can do 15 minus 8. Let's take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how many we have left. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 here. Now we do 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? Good, 1. So we know that there's 7. She needs 17 more. So she needs 17 more. So we've read our problem, we've drawn our picture, and we've written our sentence. Nice work. So now we have our sprint. So if we do our sprint, it's going to be subtracting multiples of 10 in some one sprint. So when you're ready, you can start your 2-minute timer and get started. Remember, when your timer goes off, your pencil goes down, your hand goes up, and you get ready for part B. Alright, good luck. Alright guys, here's part B. Remember, your goal for part B is to get 1 more than you did on part A. I know you're going to rock this one too. Good luck, everyone. Alright, here's our first problem that we have today. So it says 450 minus 200. So if we look at it, we have the arrow shown in the arrow way on our board. So our arrow way has 450 minus 200, and then you gotta find out what the answer is. Minus 10, what's the answer? Minus 40, what's the answer? And then how much more do you need to take away? So on my board back here, I have 450 minus 200. So remember, when you're taking away 200, you're taking away from the 2 from the 100th place. So if we took 2 from the 100th place, what's our answer going to be? Good, 250. Now we need to take away 10. So that's 110. So you're taking 110 from the 10th place. So if we take 1 away from 250, what do we get? Good, 240. Now we're doing 240 minus 40. So we're taking 4 tens from the tens place. What are we going to get? Good, 200. Now they want to know, because in our problem on our sheet, it asks us to do 450 minus 250, which we've already done. That's equals 200. Now we need to do 450 minus 260. So we've already done 250. Now we need to take away how much more to get from 250 to 260. Good, that would be taking away 10 more. So if we take 10 more away, what's our answer going to be? Well, we can't take 10 away from our tens place because it's a 0, so what are we going to have to do? Good, you have to take 1 from the hundreds and trade it in for 10 tens. So you have 100, 10 tens. That normally can't be there, but if we take one of those tens away, how much is that? So 10 minus 1. Good, 9. So now we have 100, 9 tens, and 0 ones. So our answer is going to be 190, which is 100, 9 tens, and 0 ones. Very nice work. Now we have a few more problems that we're going to do today. So our first one is 780 minus 300. So if we start at 780, we could start by taking away 100. So if we take away 100, what is our new answer? Good, 680. Now if we take away, so that's 100 we've taken away. Now we take away our second 100. What's our answer going to be? Remember, you're taking 1 away from the hundreds place. Okay, it's going to be 580. And now you're taking away 2 hundreds. Now you have to take away 1 more 100. It's going to be what? Good, 480. So you've done that. Now they want you to do minus 380. So we've already done 780 minus 300. Now we got to take away 80 more. So now this is going to be 8. So we could just go and take 80 away. Let's try that. So 80 is equal to 8 tens. So you're going to take away 8 tens here. Are there 8 tens for you to take away? Yeah. So what's our new answer going to be? Right down here. Good. 400. Now what happens if you take away 1 more 10? Because now you're taking away 390. So we already did the 80, but now we need to take away 1 more 10. Is there a 10 for you to take away? No. So you have to look over here. Remember, you're going to trade in 100 for 10 tens. So now you have 3 hundreds and 10 tens, and you're going to take away 1 10. Gets you 9 tens. So you have 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 0 ones. So 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 0 ones. Your answer is 390. Nice work. All right. Our next problem is gonna be 400 minus 200. So we have 400, and we take one of those hundreds away. What's our new answer? Good, 300. Now we take another 100 away. What do we get? Good, 200. So 400 minus 200 is 200. Nice work. Alright, now it's time for our problem set. So if we look here, it says solve using the arrow way. So part A, you're going to do 570 minus 200, 570 minus 270, and then 570 minus 290. Remember, on that one, you're going to have to trade in some hundreds for your tens. Part B, you're going to be doing the same thing, but with different numbers. Part C, you're going to continue working on exactly what we did today with 950, and then part D, you're going to do it with 820. For these ones, you're going to have to use the same, you can use the arrow way, or you can use a place value chart. So you can practice using either strategy that's you like using. But you're going to need definitely a separate piece of paper for that. And then this one, you're working with units. So you have 88 tens and 20 tens. So this one might be a little tricky. If you need help, that's okay. You can ask an adult, or you can give me a call, and I'm here to help you and help you solve it. So good luck, everyone. Make sure you send a picture of your work to Miss Wurai. You guys are doing awesome, and I miss you, and I love you, and I'm so proud of you guys. I hope to see you at the parade today. Bye.